In this video, we will create a Facebook page together. So, first, go to Facebook and log in with your registered account. This is the Facebook homepage. To start, we will create a Facebook page. In the left corner of the screen, we choose Pages. This is the screen showing all the pages that you have created so far. To create a new page, we have two ways. Option 1, click on this plus button, then select Page. Or, we can directly click on this button, Create New Page. Here, we need to fill up information, such as page's name, and category. I will choose Shopping and Retails. Then write a brief description, and press Create Page button. We will have a pop-up below, saying the new page creation was successful. Next, we need to update the avatar, as well as the cover image for this new page. Let's wait a moment for Facebook to upload photos. For the cover image, you can drag to choose the desired angle. Then click the Save button, to complete the process of creating a new page. This is the fan page that we just created. The next thing we need to do, is to add a button on the page, so that users can send messages to this page. Click on Add a Button. By default, Facebook will give us a lot of options, such as Buy Gift Card button, Order Food, and so on. However, we will not choose these options, because we are building the chatbot. Right here, we will choose Send Message. After adding the button to send the message successfully, immediately, the original button has changed to Edit button. We will check if our button is working. For a page about shopping and retail, Facebook has already suggested a few sample messages for us. I will choose the first sample message. To check the messages sent to the fan page, on the left corner, we need to select the inbox. Because I press Ctrl plus click, a new tab opened. This is the interface to manage all messages sent to fan page. You can send reply messages to users in this box. We got the response messages. It means that the fan page is working properly. You can also choose Delete Conversation to restart this conversation again. You need to know that suggested sample messages appear only for new customers who have never sent a message to the page. So, in this video, you already learned how to create a Facebook page. If you have any error during this process, please let me know by comment below this video. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video.